All right, so the chain rule, we looked at some of the, what I would call one-step chain rule problems on Friday. So if we talk about something like that function, how do we calculate the derivative? Okay. And it's a chain rule problem because we have this function and we have this function. There are two different functions involved here, right? So do you remember how to do that?
It was like inside out.
Okay, outside. So remember, this is the docidi, or whatever you want, however you want to say it. Okay, so which function is outside?
The square.
Yeah, we got to derive that, right? So how do you do the power rule, right? And then what do I do at the inside? Copy inside. Okay. Oh, you guys are on this. Copy inside. And then derivative inside.
It is multiplied. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So that's what I would call a one-step chain rule problem. It's just bam, bam, done, right? We got to look at some that are multi-step. And basically all you do is bam, 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 right? You just keep going, all right? So
That's not a negative. That's a multiplication.
let's do one more simple little, I think it'll help.
Start.
That's,
What is that? I want to know.
That's the square root, guys. That was supposed to be an 8.
no, it's supposed to be a 3, but it turned into like a
Weird.
3, 3. Half, never mind. Okay,
1.5.
how do we deal with this one?
Isn't the square root outside?
Yeah, so write it as a, yep, you're right.
8x plus 4 to the half. Yeah.
Okay,
So that's 1/2
so the exponent first, right?
times 8x equals 4 negative 1/2.
Okay, so there's your power rule derivative outside, copy the inside, times
Times 8, yeah.
8, so that's the derivative in here, right? So I'll color code this, derivative out, copy in, derivative in. Okay, same as the other one.
There we go.
Okay. I hope so. All right.
Right across the face.
Okay, this is a multi-stepper, what I would call a multi-step chain rule problem, right? No. What do we do first?
Put it in.
It's always outside, out, inside, outside, inside, right? We just keep
Is what
going.
it has.
I would rewrite it first. So,
That's enough to give you an Yeah.
I'm so lost.
okay, bad dream.
No.
Why are you lost?
Okay.
Okay, I guess when you're lost, you don't know where you are, so that would make sense. It's just a root inside of a root. So I took this to the 1/2 power, right? And then I rewrote the whole thing, it's in a root to the 1/2 power. Okay, which function is outside?
The half, the plus half.
This one?
Yeah.
Yeah, so
The 1/2 times 1 less,
there's your outside derivative,
right,
right? Now copy inside.
1 plus x squared plus 3 to the 1/2.
Copy.
Yeah, all we did was copy. Right, so derivative outside copy.
Times the root of x squared.
And now times, what's the derivative inside?
2x.
No,
Root of
this
2x.
is another exponent here. We now have to derive this exponent. So 0 plus, and then we have to do this derivative here.
So 1/2 times 2x.
Nope,
Oh, so we gotta do it all over.
you gotta copy the inside again.
Oh, x squared plus
Okay.
3. Holy,
So
okay.
now you're working with another chain rule inside here.
Okay.
Right, so now you've got a new outside inside. So do the outside, now copy inside.
Okay, so you copy that part and multiply it again by.
And now you can derive the inside. Yeah. I'm running out of colors.
2x.
That's bad.
So you have all
Go
of
with
this
Teal.
multiplied by the derivatives.
Just at the end, 2x. Or,
Yeah, it's like I said, it's a multi-stepper, right? So not only do we have outside, inside,
yeah.
when we get to this point, we have outside, inside again. But just keep that pattern going. Derivative outside, copy inside. Then you do this derivative inside.
And then you do the.
But you do outside, inside,
Do
right?
you go outside, inside?
Basically, that's it. It's that pattern. It's a chain, right? Chain has a pattern. Yeah, you're outside, inside until you're done, right?
Yay.
This is another chain rule. Then you found the derivative of the outside. And then we times it by the derivative of the inside one. That's it? Oh, we put, oh, I see why we put the 2x.
So,
Okay.
when you go side right?
Yep.
So when you got to the derived inside, because you multiply derived inside, you get go side die for that one, yeah, all of that inside.
Yep. Okay. Let's try another one. We haven't done logs yet, have we?
No.
Oh.
Thank God.
Inside, which this time was just x squared plus 3.
Is this being like that would be
Now it's x squared plus 3, which is 2x.
Heck, you don't know how right you are. No, there's always Thursday, actually, is what you should say. Tomorrow's
This
inverses.
is 1/2.
I'm trying to think of another good one.
Oh, did you go to
Why did I do this?
Ah, here's one.
That's exciting.
Should only be 2. Yeah, so this is a compost function. Sine, cosine of tangent of x.
Oh.
Compost. Compost function should really be posted? Is that what you're saying?
I believe the intention.
Okay.
Yes, we can see that.
It's going to be a multi-stepper again, but that gives us our kind of our guidelines to start. What is the outside function here? Yeah, so derive cosine. Now
Sine, cosine,
copy,
and,
right?
right. Now the derivative.
Now derivative of this mess
Is negative sine.
is another docidi, right?
Yeah.
So
Negative sine
and then copy inside, right? Now derivative of,
What's-
yes. Okay. We're getting, working outside in.
Yeah, boy, you're right. And ST. Oh, those are parentheses.
I don't know that. I want to know.
So you take derivative.
You'll get these memorized, don't worry. Just study your cards. By the end of the week, by the way, I might ask you who has studied their cards, just a friendly hint on an assignment. Mason.
So this, like, for the previous question and this one, all you have to do is find the derivative like that. There's no simplification of, like, compounding it down.
Well, this one you cannot really simplify, no.
Yeah, the other one, that's what I was talking about.
If this is a multiple choice problem, oh good lord, you can rewrite that algebraically.
Yeah.
Would you like me to?
I would like you to, but I'm asking, like, who will be your...
You should be able to.
Yeah, I know. It's just not gonna be fun.
Okay, 2x is going to be on top, 2 on the bottom, and then these are both in the bottom.
Okay.
Oh,
What are you,
another one.
what are we doing?
I'm just rewriting this. So this is a negative exponent, right?
Yeah.
So it goes in the bottom.
So is this something that we'll have to do, or can we just leave it in that?
That's what I asked.
If it's multiple choice, you might have to do this.
Got it.
Okay.
Put 2x on top there.
The 2x on the gold 2x on the...
And then the 2 times 2 is here and here. And then this mess is right here. And then this is another root right there.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, where is there a horizontal tangent line?
Somewhere in
Add
that big
2x.
mess.
2x equals,
Does the horizontal?
say it, Cheyenne. Horizontal tangent line is when the numerator equals 0. So what does x equal?
Yeah.
So out of that, we made a really easy question. Right? Now, where's there a vertical tangent line?
3.
That's where that equals 0. Right? Is there a vertical tangent line? No. Is this, right, this will never equal 0. Because you never get negatives here, right?
Right.
There you go, that's it, all you have to say.
Does it
So,
not exist? Or won't approach?
I'd say there will never be a vertical tangent line because the denominator will never equal 0. The denominator of the derivative will never equal 0. Stuff of that nature.
Okay.
Okay, so chain rules, okay? You might run into some problems that are word problems. Just give them your best shot for now, okay? Good? All right. Some of you I know are confused. It happens. Trust me, it happens every year. But it sounds like as a whole, we're doing okay.
So it's just Dosadine.
Repeating
a
it,
lot.
yeah, pretty much. Okay?
And then
So,
as you repeat it,
do you need me to write the homework down again?
No.
Okay, I'm gonna give you about 5 minutes,
And then,
and we're gonna go outside.
oh, we don't have